My own sister telling me to leave her house because of I gave her advice. My own sister telling me to.
Hello my people, I greet the full ass from untouchable mama. Host una dey fine. Una do well, una take the help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate each and every one. My people, this video where I carry console, Shona lis ten for the beginning. He said my own sister tell me say me leave the whole house because he give her advice. This lady, the one that they see so. Now village na she dey stay, okay? So she come dey stay with her own sister for town because her sister, the one wey be say na small, na that one na be the junior one, you understand? So come dey stay with her. The one that they see just now, that one na be the senior sister, which is this one, na be the senior sister to the other one wey be say una see just now. So she come dey give her own sister advice, dey tell am say e get wetin his sister dey do kpekus wan finish, una understand na? His sister na that kind ashi wele wey dey carry. This one go come today, the other one go enter, you understand? So this his sister one dey look, so he come tell his sister say this thing wey you dey do e no good o, you dey damage yourself o. Make you try, make you carry one man if you wan dey carry. No be say you dey carry different man dey enter house. E no good. I dey tell you because of say you be my sister. All this kind thing wey be say you dey do so, e go affect you when time go reach o. Na this his sister advice e junior one o. He say na the other one come dey tell am say you come my house come dey advise me. Na my house you dey. Anything wey I like I do. So you wey be say you come stay my house, you no get right to come dey advise me. So this junior sister come tell am say make e carry load, make e comot, make e carry bag, make e comot because she no want am. Say because you no fit come my house come dey tell me wetin I go do, wetin I no go do. You no know say na there that all people wey be say that men wey me dey carry up and down, this one come today, the other in the evening the other one come. No that there now they see money take dey do wetin I dey do, now take dey pay house rent, take dey do this one. This is senior sister come tell am say I know, it's just that because of many things wey dey for outside, I wish everybody know sickness dey, many things dey, you know. So tell am say if you no wan use eye take see all this men wey dey come up and down, carry your load, make you dey go, I no need you. No be small thing my people. He carry a bag go throw am for road o. So now this is sister come tell am say I no hate you, na the love wey I get na make me dey even dey advise you. If maybe na another person no concern me, you be my junior sister. Anything happen now, mama and papa they no go like am. They go say you wey even be say you be senior, you no fit talk to your junior one say this kind thing wey they do e no good. Una know wetin they do ashi wele una understand? All those one wey be say they'll carry today, carry the other one, carry the other one, they change am. His sister carry a bag go throw am for outside, say make e come comot for his house. So later na I come still realize okay, she no wan throw away bag, but e go stay on one condition. Na his senior sister go take stay in house. He come tell his sister say if you dey my house, no dey put your mouth for my own private issue. Anything wey I like, I do with myself, with my body. E no concern you. I no even tell you say make you come dey do the carry go. This one na the junior sister, my people. Can you imagine small pikin because of say his sister, his senior sister, hand no come reach am, you understand, take carry house. He dey stay with her. He begin dey talk to her anyhow. Now his sister dey tell am say no dey talk to me anyhow. I no hate you. If I no like you, I know they tell you wetin this thing where they tell you so. Sickness full everywhere. This your body where you say you want your use as you like so. Not be wetin good though. Later you go cry or you go know say all this match come today, he chook, the other one come, he carry, the other one come, he carry. He dey enjoy you now. But what of time where be say you come dey look for pikin no gree come, problem come dey everything go come dey voice come out. You understand my brothers and sisters? Now his sister tell am. Can you imagine? You know go if advise your own sister when go come tell you say make you come comot. And now the junior sister even tell the senior sister say come dey stay with me. You know, my brothers and sisters, I go put the video for una, more watch, more lis ten to wetin she talk. She not talk bad thing. All these girls of nowadays, all these brothers and sisters, now so they do, they get more money, they will work you out. May I put the video more and watch am. Una bye.
My own sister telling me to leave her house because of I gave her advice. My own sister telling me to leave her house because I told her to stop bringing different man in the house. It's not only one man, no, different man. She's sending me away out of her house. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. You don't even have respect. You don't even have respect. You don't know your senior.
Use that respect and
because of it's your house, you're telling me to leave your house. You don't know your senior.
Senior no dey live for junior house, right? Senior dey live for junior house. No.
You don't have respect, oh. This girl now sending me out of her house because it's her house. Because I advise her to stop I'm in the house. She's sending me out. See, take my bag inside. She take my bag inside. I don't like this thing you're doing. Take my bag inside. I don't like this thing you're doing. Bag inside. I don't want us to fight. I don't like this. I'm your sister. I'm your senior sister. Give me the respect that I deserve. Give me respect.
Yeah, your bag is still inside.
Give me respect. Take my things inside.
Use that respect and
inside, please. I don't like this thing you're doing. I'm your sister.
Which sister?
You have to give me respect. No matter even if it's your house, you have to give me respect. I don't like this thing you're doing.
Use and go buy house.
So guys, for now, she just allowed me to stay. So she said tomorrow that she will give me condition, rules and regulation on how to stay in her house. My own sister, my own younger sister, giving me condition, rules on how to stay in her house. Well, such is life. So she said tomorrow she will be giving me condition if I want to stay in her house, that she will give me condition. So I'm waiting for condition tomorrow. So don't worry, I will be updating you guys. Okay, so I'm waiting for the condition tomorrow. Tomorrow I will hear the condition, what she have to say. It's because of I love her. I love her so much, and I will keep advising her because she's my younger sister. No matter what, I have to be there for her. Because if anything happens tomorrow, all of you will come out and say, where is her sister, senior sister? Are they not giving her advice? Where is this one? Are they not giving her advice? So tomorrow I will hear the condition. I will hear what she has to say by tomorrow. You said you want to give me condition on how to stay in your house.
Advise me. What to say about or whatever I'm doing is none of your business. Do you understand?
See, if anything happened now, they will put blame on me. If anything happened to you, they will put blame on me. I'm your sister. I'm here to guide you. Besides, you are the one that called me to come and stay with you.
You want to stay to obey my rules, and if you're not going to,
you are the one that called me. You are the one that called me to come and visit you. So why are you acting this way? Now you are giving me condition that if I want to stay, you are giving me condition if I want to stay in your house, that I have to do the whole choice at home. What right? That is not right. I'm your sister. For crying out loud.
Something that is right in this Nigeria. Do you know how?
See, stop talking like that. I'm your sister. See, no matter what, this is don't say such thing. Don't say such thing on. See, don't say such thing to me. How can you say that? How can you tell me that I would be the one doing the whole choice because I'm staying in your house?
You just to advise me. Why will you advise me? Why will you?
Wait, are you saying who have right to advise you as my own sister? I don't have right to advise you.
See, you say you are living fine, but you choose to live your. Everybody get business, but you choose to live your own business and put part in my own business, which is unfair.
See, we are sisters. If anything happen now, our mother and dad will put blame on me. So I'm here to protect you, okay? I'm here to protect you, babe. I'm here to protect you, dear. And I love you. That is why I'm here to protect you. So don't use because of the little. Don't use because of the little. Don't use because of the little advice I'm giving to you now. Throw me out of the house.
Because you put your mouth in what you don't supposed to put your mouth. Then what I do with my life does not concern you. Or does it?
No. So if you want to stay in this house, you gotta obey my rules and regulations. If you cannot